currently I have sound now. What sucks is I can't, whenever I go to preview a quick captured video, I can't hear the sound. And I gotta sit pretty damn close to the mic for it to be loud enough. And that's kind of annoying, sitting like an inch away from the screen on the computer. Happy to have a new computer and happy to have one in my room and everything, but it's kind of annoying. Yeah. Sucks I can't do the show or anything for a while. I'm sorry I can't. But I want to thank you all for helping me out and supporting me. And people still trying to get me a mic would really help too. Could use it in the bedroom to help with the videos. And same thing with the camera. Thank you all for the help and support and helping me to continue this. Sorry there won't be a show tomorrow. I could try, but I don't know yet. I'll try it out. If it doesn't work, I'm deleting it. I really don't want to quick capture the show, but anything to continue for my fans. Dedicated show host and everything. So, thanks for the help. Thanks for everything so far. Much motherfucking love, peace and love.